So in this video I'm going to show you how to join Google Classroom in mobile. So let's begin. So first of all, what you need to do is open your Google Chrome and search in the search box Google. Okay, now the page will load and it will take you to a new page, and just scroll down slowly. Okay, just scroll down and now you can see here Google Classroom. Okay, just click on it. Now just click on go to classroom. Okay, this one. So now it's loading, and now what you need to do is, in order to join, just click on this plus icon. Okay, at the top, just click on that plus icon. Okay, now here you have two options, join class and create class. So if you have a joining class code, okay, then just click on join class, or if you want to create, just click on create class. But this video is about joining class. So in order to join the class, you need to have a 7-digit alphanumeric code, okay, which consists of alphabet and digits also. So I have a code of a classroom, so let me just paste it, and when I click on join button, so this will take you to a new interface. So just wait, and now the loading is completed. So as you can see, I have joined this classroom which is created by my teacher, and now you can just do whatever you want in this. And I hope this video helped you out. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and let me know in the comment section. If you're new to this channel, then make sure you subscribe and press the bell icon, and I really appreciate that.